Hello, everybody. I'm 𝗀𝗶𝘁𝗀𝘀, RE/MAX Performance Realty, residential agent in Winnipeg, a newly certified luxury home marketing specialist in our city. Check out these new style 3D virtual tours. Now, virtual tours are definitely not anything new, but the amount of detail on these is remarkable and stunning. The things we can do now with the lenses are better, the software is better, and buyers really enjoy these. Here's the feature I really like. This is called the Dollhouse view. This is something fairly new. Now, honestly, they've been around for a couple of years, but they just haven't been adopted very wide because up until recently, this has been prohibitively expensive. New advancement in technology have enabled me to offer this service for all of my luxury home listings. Imagine buyers sitting at home and previewing your home like this. And the reason you want that is quite simply to pre-screen those buyers. The most frustrating part is when buyers show up and they leave and then you're asking for feedback and they say, the bedrooms were too small. Or, I didn't like the way those bedrooms were laid out in relation to the bathrooms. Well, with this, it leaves no doubt. They know going in what to expect. Here's a different look at another property. This is a one-level condo. Again, buyers can, in the comfort of their home, take a good look at your property from all angles. Another feature that comes from these dollhouse layouts is these 2D floor plans. They come complete with measurements. I can't tell you how often a buyer has asked me to give them a floor plan of the house that they're about to see. Well, floor plans aren't available for the average house. They're available for new construction, but certainly for resale, who's got a floor plan? If you're listing your luxury property with me, I'll make sure it has the dollhouse and it has these floor plans, and we can pre-screen the buyers right before they come through your door. Now take a look at this larger home with several levels. And again, buyers can look at it one level at a time or all levels all put together. There's nothing more frustrating than after a buyer comes through, has spent an hour looking around in your house, the feedback is something to the effect of, the rooms aren't big enough, or I didn't like the way it was laid out. This will eliminate all of that. And since not everybody's doing them, your house will stand out from the crowd. And as I said, if you're in the $500,000, $600,000, $800,000 range, you do have a lot of competition against your house. There are other homes on the market in your price range, and they're all struggling with the same 45% success rate. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. One of the things I really like about my job is that I get to experiment with all these new technologies and techniques. So if you're looking to sell a luxury property in Winnipeg, a unique property, whether it's $400,000 or $1 million or $2 million, give me a call for a very personal service and marketing that is out of this world. This has been 𝗀𝗶𝘁𝗀𝘀, RE/MAX Performance Realty. Thank you very much. Call me anytime, 204-333-2202. Bye-bye.
Are you thinking of selling your Winnipeg house or condo? Work with the listing agent who goes beyond the MLS. 𝗀𝗶𝘁𝗀𝘀 of RE/MAX Performance has a marketing plan that is second to none. Book your free marketing plan and evaluation today. Bo knows real estate.